Tradition, traditional, traditionalist. Like the old Roman Triumvirates, that's a powerful trio of words worthy of our study. A while back in Morning Minutes in the Bible on Traditional Tuesday, we learned a new word, Neophile. We learned that it describes a person characterized by an overwhelming compulsion for anything new to the exclusion and even destruction of the old. No matter the meaning, purpose, or value of the old, it must be thrown away to be replaced by the new and novel. Now, it would be easy to think that a neophile is the exact opposite of a traditionalist, but that would be incorrect. As Inigo Montoya said, "I do not think it means what you think it means." According to Miriam-Webster, a tradition is simply an inherited, established, or customary pattern of thought, action, or behavior. It can include commonly accepted beliefs handed down from one generation to the next that maintain cultural continuity in social attitudes, customs, and institutions, or a characteristic manner, method, or style. Traditional is an adjective describing things that are done according to tradition. A traditionalist is one who holds to traditions, especially in culture or religious practices. While those appear to be opposites of a neophile, the apparent contrast may only be on the surface. And here's why. Like the old saying, birds of a feather, neophiles flock together and adopt a common pattern of thought and behavior that becomes established as customary. Their social attitudes and customs become institutionalized as a characteristic manner, method, or style that is handed down from one generation to the next. They believe that constant change is absolutely necessary and seek to establish that as a continuous practice. In other words, they become very traditional in their absolute conformity to their fellow neophiles and their tradition of attacking traditions. If you want to see what I mean, all you have to do is criticize their tradition of attacking traditions and watch their traditionalist claws unfold. A religious traditionalist may hold to biblical traditions or man-made traditions, while a neophile holds to anti-tradition traditions. But any way you slice it, we all hold to traditions of one sort or another. In other words, there's a little bit of traditionalist in all of us. We'll continue to explore this concept in our next Morning Minutes in the Bible on Traditional Tuesday. Tomorrow, we will return to 1 Samuel. So until then, this is James McClenny hoping you have a great day.